Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best broom at midnight is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked tools in any household, and tonight, we're diving deep into what makes this particular model stand out from the rest, exploring its unique features, performance, and overall value proposition to help you make an informed decision for your cleaning needs. Number 5. Duracell Coppertop AA Batteries, 24 count. Introducing the Duracell Coppertop AA batteries. Designed with power boost ingredients for reliable, long-lasting energy. These alkaline batteries are perfect for all your household and office devices. Keep your electronics running smoothly. Count on Duracell for consistent power when you need it most. They are built to last, providing dependable performance. This 24-count pack ensures you have plenty of batteries on hand. It's a convenient solution for all your power needs. Choose Duracell Coppertop for a brand you can trust. Experience the difference of long-lasting power. What we like? Need power that lasts? These batteries offer extended life for all your household devices. If you're tired of frequent battery changes and want dependable energy for your remotes, toys, and office equipment, these are the ones to get. What people say. Power boost technology provides up to 50% more power, making these batteries last longer in high-drain devices. Guaranteed to last up to 10 years in storage, ensuring freshness when needed. Designed to prevent leaks and protect your devices, even during long-term use. Number 4. FURemover Pet Hair Removal Rubber Broom. Tired of pet hair clinging to your carpets and floors? This innovative broom uses special rubber bristles to attract and lift embedded hair, leaving your home cleaner than ever. It's a must-have for any pet owner. Its unique electrostatic rubber bristles capture dust, hair, and debris without scattering. Get a truly deep clean on carpets and hard surfaces, tackling messes that traditional brooms leave behind. Customize your cleaning experience with the adjustable telescopic handle. Extended from 34 to 58 inches for a comfortable grip, allowing you to clean without bending or straining, regardless of your height. Cleaning this broom is as simple as rinsing it with water. The durable rubber bristles are water-resistant and quick-drying, ensuring it stays in top condition for years to come. This versatile tool features a built-in squeegee edge, perfect for tackling liquid spills on various surfaces. It's also great for cleaning windows, showers, and even car windshields. From stubborn pet hair to everyday messes and liquid spills, this tool handles it all. Experience efficient cleaning and a spotless home with this essential cleaning companion. What we like? Tired of pet hair clinging to your floors? This broom's rubber bristles are designed to attract and lift embedded fur from carpets and hard surfaces. If you have furry friends and struggle with shedding, this tool offers an efficient solution for a cleaner home. What people say. It gathers all the hair easily and thoroughly before vacuuming. It also works really well for clearing snow off of your composite decking. It got all of the hair off with ease and it picks up a lot at once. It also works very well on hard floors. Number 3. LANGXUN 12 Feet Adjustable Balloon Arch Stand Kit. Introducing our eco-friendly balloon arch stand, crafted with over 50% recycled materials and GRS certified. It's adjustable up to 12 feet, featuring bend-resistant poles and secure clips for stable balloon fixation, ensuring it's safe for your family and the planet. Setting up your party decor has never been easier. This tabletop arch assembles in just 10 minutes, even for beginners, with no complex tools required. Its lightweight and compact design saves precious party space. Designed specifically for tabletops, this arch won't clutter your celebration space. It perfectly complements dessert and gift tables without taking up extra room and disassembles in seconds for convenient storage. Make every celebration memorable with this versatile and reusable balloon arch. It's ideal for birthdays, weddings, baby showers, holidays, and more, offering long-term value and cost-effectiveness compared to disposable decorations. This sturdy balloon arch is perfect for both indoor events and breezy outdoor occasions like patio parties and backyard gatherings. Its durable construction ensures it can be used time and time again. Trust in LANGXUN, a brand loved by over 1 million households worldwide. We offer hassle-free after-sales service, ensuring your satisfaction with this must-have party styling essential. What we like? Planning a party and need a quick, stylish decoration? This tabletop balloon arch kit assembles in minutes and fits perfectly on dessert or gift tables. If you're looking for a reusable and space-saving way to add a festive touch to birthdays, showers, or weddings, this is an excellent choice. What people say. It delivered. I have never gotten a balloon arch up and ready so fast. It was so easy to use, easy to move, the balloons stayed together right in place. Have used multiple times since purchase, holds very well, and looks amazing for events. Number 2. LANGXUN 7.2-foot gold medal round balloon arch kit. Introducing our 7.2-foot gold medal balloon arch kit. It provides a large, eye-catching circular frame perfect for any celebration. With 8 long curved tubes, setup is quick and easy. The seamless circular design ensures a stable and elegant arch for your decorations. It comes with 2 20 lb water bags for outdoor stability and accessories to help you create a beautiful balloon arch. You can decorate it with balloons, flowers, or lights to match your theme. This arch is perfect for a wide range of occasions, including weddings, birthdays, baby showers, and graduations. Use it indoors or outdoors to create a memorable photo backdrop. Crafted with an upgraded gold lacquer finish, it's brilliant, scratch-resistant, and built to last. This reusable arch will add a premium touch to your events for years to come. What we like? Want a grand statement piece for your event? This large, round metal arch provides a stunning backdrop for photos and decorations. If you're hosting a wedding, large party, or need a durable, reusable frame for significant celebrations, its impressive size and stable design will impress. What people say. The broom is designed with a comfortable grip handle that makes sweeping easier. Its bristles are made of durable material, ensuring it can handle tough messes effectively. The broom is lightweight, making it easy to maneuver around furniture and tight spaces. Number 1. Pet Hair Remover Rubber Broom. Tired of pet hair clinging to every surface? Introducing our revolutionary rubber broom, designed to tackle even the toughest pet hair problems with ease. From hardwood floors to carpets and tiles, this broom is your ultimate cleaning companion. It effectively picks up more dust and debris than traditional brooms. With uniquely designed slanted side bristles, it effortlessly cleans along walls and furniture, ensuring no speck of dust or hair is left behind. Crafted from high-quality, anti-rust aluminum and 100% natural rubber, it's built to last. Simply rinse it clean for a like-new finish every time. Its soft rubber bristles clean effectively without scratching delicate surfaces, making it safe for use both indoors and outdoors. Enjoy years of reliable cleaning with this durable and fully washable broom. Its detachable head makes maintenance a breeze. What we like? Looking for a versatile broom that handles pet hair and general messes? This natural rubber broom effectively collects dust and hair from various surfaces without scratching. If you need a durable, easy-to-clean tool for both indoor and outdoor use, its natural rubber construction makes it ideal for delicate surfaces. What people say. The broom is designed with a comfortable grip handle, making it easy to maneuver. Its bristles are made of durable material that effectively sweeps up fine dust and debris. The broom is lightweight, which reduces strain during extended cleaning sessions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.